Hi guys, today this is a special video because this is my first GO train video I'm riding. Remember the exhibition of Arendelle GO Station video I made? Go check it out. Today I'm riding the train from Long Branch GO Station to Union Station. This is my dream come true. I've been waiting to go to Union Station. And we're going on a train to Union. I believe it's coming from West Harbor. If I see a train coming fast zoom, it can either be the Niagara train or the Clarkson Express. There's a streetcar. Goodbye, Etobicoke. We are approaching Mississauga. Here we are on Brow Drive at Long Branch GO Station. Here we are, Long Branch GO. Whee! There. Alright, we are here at the GO Station. We're going to Union Station because we're going to Eaton Center. We're going to pick up my friends from Niagara Falls. They just came on the GO train. So yeah. Since 1927. And here comes a My Way bus. Here we are. Alrighty, we are here at the station. I can see the platform. Mom, give me my Presto card so I can tap. Alright, bye Daddy. You have a good time. Okay, Mommy, give me my Presto card. Bye.
Check first if there is check the Mimico exhibition. Here.
Okay.
3 minutes, come on.
Okay.
Check. Just put it on the, no, here.
Right here?
Yeah, check it.
Okay, let's see.
So,
$3.
$3 now. We have to put a little bit. Okay.
We have
low.
3 minutes. Quickly.
20.
20. Quickly, Mom.
Wait.
Okay, while you're doing this, I'm gonna check the schedule. Alright guys, so we are boarding the train to Union Station and it's arriving in 3 minutes. Alright. Oh my. Alright, I'll see you in a bit when we're ready. Alright guys, so my mom's gonna, okay, I'm gonna tap it. Alright. We are going to platform number 3. Our train is arriving in 2 minutes. Okay, hold on. Alright, we are on the train platform. We are boarding. So that's where the train will come. Let's go. The train. This is. Let's wait a minute. Wait, look what happened to the train station, guys. Do you see this? Look, there's something strange. Listen. Just a reminder for all passengers on platform number 3. Your next eastbound train is scheduled to depart at 1:50. Again, for all passengers on platform 3, the next eastbound train heading in the direction of Union Station is scheduled to depart from platform 3 at 1:50. As always, for your own safety and protection, just a reminder, you are required to stand well behind the yellow line at all times while waiting on the platform. This is because high-speed trains can pass through the station in any direction at any time. Please also spread out across the entire length of the platform, using all available doors to board the train. Alright guys, they just announced that the train is arriving at 1:50, platform 3, heading eastbound, direction towards Union Subway Station and Railroad. Which line should we go next? Lakeshore West or Niagara? Let me know. Let me tell you when the train is arriving. It's arriving in a few minutes. Let me pause the video and I'll be right back.
1350 Lakeshore train to Union is arriving shortly at Long Branch on platform 3 and is 12 coaches long. Stay well back from the yellow line.
Job coaches
Votre train
around.
de 13h50 Lakeshore Ouest en direction et à destination de Lyon arrive bientôt à l'embranche sur le quai 3 et est composé de 12 voitures. Reste bien loin de la ligne jaune.
Right, our train is arriving shortly. They just announced. This is the receipt right here, you guys. Let me show you. This is our receipt. All right. There's the parking lot right there. That's where we were. Wait a minute. Okay, I know, mommy. Okay, the train coming down there. So yeah, I'll check back when the train comes. All right, guys, our train is now arriving. We gotta wait for the bell. We'll hear the train. We have 3 minutes. Hold on. There's an airplane. There's the end of the platform just for today because, yeah. Guys, there's a Presto card machine right there. And another departure screen. Oh, listen.
Attention passengers on platform number 3. Your eastbound train heading in the direction of Union Station is currently approaching. Again, for all passengers on platform 3, your eastbound train is approaching. Please stand well behind the yellow line while waiting on the platform.
I hear the bell, you guys. All right, the train is arriving. Oh wow, look at the engine. Yes, let's go up there. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the second floor. Look at the wheel. Metrolinx. Oh, all right, we are going inside. The door should open. All right, we are. Yes. All right, let's go inside. You wanna go up? Yes. I got it. Okay. All right, we're going. Yes, let's go.
Last call for doors.
Let's go down. Okay, let's just go down there. Kid's fine. All right. Yeah, I can see.
Please stand clear. Doors are closing.
Oh yeah. Okay, we just did the final call. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, let's go.
Dude, I like designed the whole like.
Oh! All right, we're boarding the train. Our next stop until Union is Mimico. I repeat, Mimico.
Mimico is our next stop. Mimico.
All right, so we're on the train right now. We are 15 minutes away from Union Station. Only on GO train. just passed.
Remember to keep your bags on either the floor or your lap, not on an empty seat. Hogging a seat with personal attention aux autres. Merci.
Alright, so we have to pause the video to take a picture. Yeah, we are passing Lakeshore. Alright guys, so we're approaching Birmingham Street. Oh wow, look at these tank cars. Who's excited to go to Union Station? Alright. Oh guys, I remember this switch. I played this on Roblox. My dream has come true. Oh, it's 30th Street. Switches again. Okay.
The yellow emergency strip should only be pressed when medical, police, transit safety, or fire services are needed. Or you can discreetly text help at 777.
Alright guys, so we are approaching Mimico Go Station. I know because the rail yard.
Tout usage abusif est passible d'une amende.
Mom, I know we're near Mimico because we're passing the rail yard. Guys, our buildings. There's our buildings, of course. Oh wow, look at that diesel engine. So this is the Goat and Via rail yard. So guys, be quiet because we're about to hear the Mimico Go Station arriving sounds. I'll be quiet. I'll talk to you later once we arrive. And the Islington Avenue Bridge. There it is. And then there's Judson Street. There's the original one. Oh, there's that engine that we're on right now. Alright, we are arriving now.
Now arriving at Mimico. Arrivé à Mimico.
Alright, we are arriving at Mimico. This is located on Royal York Road at Judson Street. There we are. There. Here we are, Go Mimico. This is a small station on the Lakeshore West Line. There's the map, of course. Alrighty, we just arrived. Grand Central Mimico is coming very soon. Woo! We're here, Mimico Go Station. Alright, so we are a few minutes away from Union. So yeah. Woo! Alright, I'll see you when the doors close.
Last call for doors.
Alright, they just announced for the doors.
Please stand clear, doors are closing.
And guys, by the way, the seats, look at them. They have Go Train logos on it. Alright. Alright, this is the last station in Etobicoke. We're a little bit moving, so here we go. Our next station until Union is Exhibition, as known for the Canadian CNE. Alright, We're leaving.
Exhibition is our next stop. Exhibition.
Alright, goodbye, Etobicoke. Okay, so, yeah, apparently we are entering Parkland. Alright, once we pass these buildings, I'm gonna pause the video until we reach there. Alright, we're entering Mimico East. Oh wow, the GO train scared me. Alright, we are in Parkland now. Oh, I can see the Gardner Expressway East. There is Parkland Road. TD Bank. Alright. Whoa, it's so dark. Alright, I will see you once we reach Exhibition GO. I'll see you in a bit. Why is there a GO train here, you guys? We just passed Humber Loop. Oh, wow, look at this. How many cars are there even? Alright, see you. Alright guys, while we're on our journey, look what I found. St. Joseph's Health Center. This is where Riley was born. St. Joseph's Health Center. Okay, oh, I see a 501 streetcar going to Neville Park. Alright, we are on the Gardner Expressway now. So we are about to approach Exhibition GO Station, as known for the CNE. Wow, this is such good things that the government of Ontario is. Oh, Toronto. I wish they would add a GO Transit. Canadian Tire Sport Check. FedEx. Ooh. United Way, Greater Toronto. Alright guys, we are now arriving at Exhibition GO Station. Trains served here are for trains trains on the westbound track serves for Aldershot, West Harbour, Hamilton GO Centre, and Niagara Falls. Speaking of Niagara Falls, today is a Saturday and Sunday, so that means there's going to be trains running. Alright, we are approaching. There's the station. They're about to say the announcements. We're arriving at Exhibition.
Now arriving at Exhibition.
Arrivée à Exhibition.
Alright, we're arriving at Exhibition GO Station. We're here. And Exhibition GO Station is making a new bridge. Oh, there's the elevator. See, guys, I knew it. Look. Alright, we're here. Exhibition. Whee. Alright, I'll see you in a bit once the door closes. Alright, we're about to stop. Oh, Exhibition Loop. I can notice the 509 replacement buses. Alright. Look at that. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, they just announced the door's about to close.
Stand clear, doors are closing.
Our final stop until we reach Union is Union Station. Alright, we have 7 minutes until the video ends. Alright. And guys, what is that? Alright, I don't know what is that. Alright. Goodbye, see you. Next stop, Union. But first, let's take a look. Let it go train.
Attention passengers, our next stop is Toronto's Union Station. After a short stop at Union, this train will continue eastbound, making all stops to Durham College, Oshawa Go. If you are leaving us at Union Station, please make sure to look around you for your personal belongings before exiting the train onto the platform. On behalf of Go Transit and the operating crew, thank you for riding with us and enjoy your Saturday.
Alright, so they just announced that this train is a Lakeshore East train going from Union Station to Durham College, Oshawa. Alright, see, we are here. We are about to arrive at Union Station. Just a few minutes away from exhibition.
Okay, and you do what? What do you do?
Oh, it's the bridge. Is that the Spadina Bridge? This is Front Street. Oh no, that's Bathurst. What is this?
Yes.
Is that Harborfront? Oh, there's the tunnel.
The basement, there's that like, you know.
Scotiabank. Oh, there's 510. That means this is Spadina Avenue.
There's already a beam.
Alright, we are arriving in Toronto's Union Station.
We need to cut the joists and move the feet up.
You can transfer to TTC's Line 1,
We have not done it before.
Up Express, Via, and streetcars. Alright, I'll see you in a bit once the announcement starts.
Now arriving at Union Station.
Arrivée à la gare Union.
Ensure you have all your belongings before exiting the train. Stay back from the yellow platform lines and never cross the tracks. Please let passengers using mobility aids get on the elevator first. If you tapped on a Presto device, remember to tap off using the same method of payment if you don't have the default trip set. Thank you for choosing Go.
Assurez-vous d'avoir tous vos effets personnels avant de quitter le train. Restez derrière les bandes de sécurité jaunes et ne traversez jamais la voie. Veuillez d'abord laisser les passagers utilisant des aides à la mobilité monter dans l'ascenseur. Si vous avez présenté votre carte sur un lecteur Presto, n'oubliez pas de présenter votre carte après un trajet à l'aide du même mode de paiement si vous n'avez pas défini un trajet par défaut. Merci d'avoir choisi Go Transit.
Alright, so this is the Go Transit's Up Express heading from Union to Toronto Pearson via the Kitchener line. Oh wow! We are arriving here. We're here, Toronto's Union Station. There's the Royal York Hotel. We are officially inside Union Station. Woo! And then there's the Lakeshore West line, of course. This is now the Lakeshore East line. We're here, Union's Community Rail Station.
Once again, passengers, after a quick brief at Toronto Union Station, this train will continue eastbound, making all station stops to Durham College, Oshawa Go.
Alright, we're here. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video end the video once we're in the Bay Concourse Hall because I need to go on the subway to Dundas or Queen. Alright, Union, Danforth, Scarborough, Eglinton, Glenwood, Blue Shill, Pickering, Ajax, Whitby, DC, Oshawa. That is the Lakeshore West line. I'm controlling the train. Bricks. Alright, so we officially arrived. Whee! Lakeshore East. I thought we were on the Lakeshore West train, but now it seems like it turned into a Lakeshore East train. Alrighty, we arrived. Alright, let's go. We officially arrived here in Toronto's Union Station. Thank you, Go Transit, for making us ride your train from Long Branch to Union. Alright, we're leaving the train. I'll see you when we're in the concourse. Woo! We are here! Alright, I'll see you when we're in the concourse. Alright, we are leaving. Goodbye, Union Stations. Go trains. Alright. Alright, I'll see you in a bit when we're in the concourse. Alright, guys. Yes! Alright guys, there's the schedule. Alright. Woo! Alright guys, so we're gonna head to the subway now. That will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. See you. Goodbye. Peace out from Union Station.